I said, no, I go back to Shillong because that is where I need to contribute to my people. So yes, it is a challenge, and please don't fall into it. It's a problem, don't fall into it. Work for your community, work for your society, work for your own people.
Thank you so much, Father. Next, I would like to request Aman Agarwal from Sikkim to put on his question. Can we please pass the mic?
Good afternoon to our most lovely panelists out there. I'd like to respectfully direct my question to Reverend Father Michael Macri. Father, if education and skill development are considered investments, how should society measure their true value and the return on this investment, economic productivity alone, or the overall growth of human character and creativity? Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for that question. I heard from the panel, from our moderator, that our time is over. So the purpose of education is to make you a better person and an honest citizen. Forget about everything that we have said. Be an honest citizen and a better person. That is what education is all about. So all that we are trying to say, all that we're trying to spend, is to make you and me a better person. So that is my answer. For the rest, you can think about it, what leads to that answer. To be a better person and an honest citizen. Thank you, all the way from Sikkim.
Thank you very much, Father.
Thank you, Father, and thank you, Aman. With this, we are running short on time, so we got received so many questions from all of you, and I'm so happy and so proud to see that we received so many great insights and great questions. But we cannot take each one of your questions, and I'm so sorry for that, but we have something to share. We will have an interactive session on that, and there you can ask, you can interact, you can give your insights on that. So we'll proceed to that after some time. But to conclude the panel discussion of this theme, human capital investment in education, skill development, and employment, we get to hear so many great insights from a great panelist right here. Today's insights were so different from what I was expecting. It was something which you are not getting in your books, or you're not getting in the internet or any website. It was the values, the ethics that makes us who we are, and that will make our human capital shine. The investment in education is not just investment in what you study. It is investment in your mindset and how you approach the world. And the investment in your skill development is not only your handwork training, not the training which is forced upon you. It is this development or the investment to which you are interested, to which provides you a better future, and which provides you a platform. And with that, we would like to conclude our today's panel discussion number 2. I would like to thank my dear panelists, Father Michael Macri, Dr. Benjamin Lindo, and Ma'am Audrey Konglam for your time here and for your lovely interaction and your insights to our young people. And I would also like to thank my dear youth, my brothers and sisters, for spending your time listening to our great panelists out here. I would like to thank each one of you, all the moderators, all the technicians, everybody, for your valuable timing. Thank you so much. I would request for a group picture. Participants, please be seated for some moment. Participants, I request you to please be seated for some moment. Please do not leave the hall. We have some major announcements to make. I request all the participants, please be inside the hall. there's an announcement. Those who have not filled up their TADA form, you may please fill up that form and please submit it. And all those who have not filled up their registration form, you may also please fill it up and submit it. And those who have filled it but not submitted it yet, you may please submit it. जिन लोगों ने अपने TADA के फॉर्म नहीं भरा हुआ है अभी तक, वो प्लीज़ अपने फॉर्म को भर दीजिए और सबमिट कर दीजिए. और जिन लोगों ने रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म भी नहीं भरा हुआ है वो भी सबमिट कर दीजिए. और जिन लोगों ने भर के भी सबमिट नहीं किया है, वो आप लोग से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वो भी आप सबमिट कर दीजिए. एंड वो सब करने के बाद यू कैन प्रोसीड फॉर द लंच. थैंक यू.